What's up, guys? Welcome back to Jammiwood, and y'all know it's a real pinky. Guys, I want you to like, share, comment, subscribe, tell a friend for tell a friend. And anybody will watch this movie or watch any other movie pan Jammiwood or One King and they love me.
My little corner. No one there to love me. No one there to squeeze me at night. So I hold my pillow tight. Where is my long lost lover? Where is the one for me to hug? Life not nice when you spend it alone. No, life not nice when you spend it alone. So I'm alone now, yeah, I'm alone now. No one to come home to at night. I wonder if there's anybody out there single, someone who can hold me tight. Can you come over and spend the night? All I need is someone to call my own. I wonder if there's anyone thinking about me. All I need is someone to spend a little time with me, even if it's just as a friend, cause I'm feeling so alone, and I don't want to feel this anymore. Whoa, I'm singing my song, hoping somebody hears me before too long. Let me tell you a story about this Rasta boy. Grew up as a lonely child, never really felt no joy. Worked hard every day, thought money would ease the pain, thought it would bring true love one day. But all he got was empty promises. Every girl that he met so far only wanted one thing. They took his money from his hand and left his heart as a broken man. Never had a backup plan. Now I finally understand. Money can't buy love, only a one night stand. Lonely again. Yeah, I'm lonely again.
But I want me to tell you, you're Paul there again.
My Paul.
Yeah, you're Paul. Well, me I see Paul and your friend ramp up and a kiss up on them thing there, and that's why me I go ask if you're still not there. Come see how them are nice up on them thing there, so that's why me I come link you up to find out if you're still there.
So long, you know. What you say? My Paul.
Yeah, Paul.
And my
And your
friend.
friend, yeah.
You see them a wrap up
Wrap
some
up
type of
and
way.
kiss up and hug up and be a plane and go on, that's why I come link you to find out if you're still there.
Jesus Christ, girl, you sure you say? I'm a best friend.
Then why me not come here, come call you and I tell you, if me never sure I see.
What you say you see them a do?
Ramp up and a kiss up and run up and down and a play.
Me have to go confront her about this, but me can't make sure know what out because me can't take it cuss.
You see, that's why I say me come ask you. Call you one of you and show you the pint where I go on.
What you going to do now?
Why you know say some little things in my house I do, so me just come
I
link
come
you.
check you because she there here and she ready for going. I want to confront her before she go away because you don't know what you do to me head right now. Me
Alright.
I'll come check you.
Yeah, man.
No, I have a bad feeling about this. Oh yeah, to go away?
Yeah, me I go on the road.
Yeah, they listen to me, Riri. Come here, come sit down here, some missus. No,
I want to
man. That's something I want to get doing night one for me. In which part one ear story where they said the ice cream shop there. When you pass the plaza, they have to pass the gas station.
Yeah.
I want to beg buy one ear but me still. When me gone on the road at daytime, when my boyfriend get feeling there or something, him ever try to talk to you like because me I get to understand say
Talk to me like, oh, you mean?
because me I get to understand say somebody soon I wrap up and I kiss up and I go on with love with everything. So it's like
Wrap up and a kiss up?
hold on, I don't want to get what me I say. So is that the person I say to me say, you and my man in a dealings? Yeah, still the person
Girl,
your best friend.
Tell me that.
So me did have to confront her, come and say, what the hell?
No, me not understand why this is so. We you just say whatever.
You know, you want me say somebody gonna tell me say, yeah, my man a kiss up and a wrap up.
Girl, where you come from? All the way back, way too far. For me, I got on so with your man to that. And me your best friend? No, girl. I was spend them the romance there. I won't want to do that.
Let me tell you something. I'm a very funny person when it comes to relationship. And you see, if I have you as my friend, I have you as my friend. I realize that I allow you to use anything in it for me. Because I love you as a friend. I see you as a friend. You understand what I say? No. You're in a little situation and I allow you to stay here with me. Could I tell you no? You get what I say? I just put out everything on the table so I rate you. But you see, I should have find out. So that I want for you. I don't know how me I go.
No,
You
like that.
understand?
You're not going to find out nothing like that. Because me and your man don't in and nothing. Me don't know who's to ever walk and tell me. What? Until now, me can't believe to backside. Somebody are going to come to you. What tell you them there's something there?
You know, so the lady will tell me, not tell no lie.
Lady? Which lady?
Yeah, the lady will tell me, she not tell no lie. One lady will come from out of south. She not tell me no lie.
Me don't know nothing about that. You can't. Your man did that. Go ask him.
I not ask him.
Better you ask him,
No,
man.
I'm not gonna ask
Then
him, man.
sit
I
up
ask you
and you
because
ask
me your
me. Because
friend.
me you come from far. And me there so I sit down and explain the situation to you. Tell you say, no. Me and your man not in a no entanglement. And he's like, you not believe me, so go ask your man.
So let me ask you one question now. Why the lady would have left from where? Put on her pretty clothes. But I go call her name because I can't take contention. You understand? So even if she live near, me not go tell her say she live near. But why she would have come and spend all of the time to tell me that as a big woman?
No.
Well, girl, you want me to say to you now. Me don't talk to you so you can go on now. But all me I say, do, no make it come to reality.
Right.
I just that me want to say to you, Riri.
No matter how much try to avoid foolishness just ever come knock on my door. No, until now, me can't understand.
I just that me not say
How
to
which
you.
woman that?
You're not gonna know, and I just that when I said to you, cause me don't even know how me I take this today, cause it really shocked me. Cause me just imagine when me there road one day I
Me
go
to
and
come
read.
here, you come from far. More the thing for do that. But too bad me take people man, but like me taking your man would that be like me I take my own sister man, and that's crazy.
Riri, remember say me and your friend from Wacky Kill, me and your friend from a long time. Remember good no Riri? Remember good
Of
say me know you
course.
from way back. Me know you is a man taker. Me know you will do it. Me may take a cousin man in a girl. Remember good in a girl. So what you say now? What you say
Me
now?
not justify anything, but you know say me and that because they never agree or anything or something. So and the boy happen to like me and me happen to like him, but that's the reason why I talk to him. You know? And he did I spend time in same way, so but
To take your man now, no. We too close to that. No, then we.
The
I
truth will
just
come
know
out, you
better
know.
too, cause regardless of my past decision, you feel know better. Cause me I come from far. And you see how me operate.
I have a funny feeling, but I go work with it. We see it come.
Think if you talk to your boyfriend about it. Where money there for you?
Long time, you know, use that number, you know. Yeah. They can just walk at it back. You over there?
Yeah, man.
Alright. Ah, call her back. She just left, you know. You know, see her go up the road.
No, I told me the inside.
You know, so the girl denied. The girl denied. What a wicked girl that thing, man.
You can't deny that. I see her with my two and she said,
You know, say me and a little girl that come from far. She kind to me, me kind to her. You know, we have each other back, but they never expect something like this. But sounds strange because remember she did take her cousin man one time, and me didn't know about it. She know me know.
same like how she knows me see her and know.
She know say you this year.
Yeah. Because when you see her, them even jumping and pause, you know. So she know, she kind of figure out, say, me I come say something to you.
You know, tell her, oh, you tell her somebody will live from far. You want to tell her say the next door neighbor.
Oh.
You understand? So me no know, but watch her now. You see next time I want you to do mama. Stick a foot.
Yeah, man, never do that.
Don't even make them know say you see them.
So when we
You see
take
when
it
I know
out,
me not there? Come over here, come and beg a look ice. Just for see look shopping what I want for me. Because me can't have a treat in my house.
no. But me always see her. I mean, no, see her live close, you know. But so when me see them, it surprise me, come here and say, your friend, your best friend, when I house.
Me not say nothing to my man, you know. Me just have left this in your hand.
Yeah, man.
Me give her money, no worry about that.
Alright. So when we take the picture now,
Just send it
can't
to
say a
me.
lie.
Just send it to
Yeah,
me.
man.
The picture out same time.
Alright.
Yeah, yeah. Yo, I'm brother in a man. No, yo, every time you left a car with me, you call me and stress me out. Everything good, man. I'm not gonna work, I'm not for go, man. Yeah, man, me I carry the car, go car wash and make them wash it, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, me run the road, man. Me not the part from black, me run for me run. Yeah, the part for me ex-live, on the road there. No, me not watch her, me say me a watch her. Not like that, man. Me just run as all the vibes, man. Yeah, man, me good, man, me good. I want you fall back aside there. Yeah, you can't good, man. No worry yourself, man. You can't good, no me have it, brother. Calm down, no, man. Alright. I'll pick up a one girl night, though. You can't tell me nothing. You say, forget it. Yeah, you're my brother, man. Calm down, man. Me don't panic with that, so. Me nah move fast for a minute. Alright. Boy. Every time. Boy.
Hello. Excuse me.
Uh,
No, me can't jump, sir.
yo. And I'm sleeping there. Yo, me a dream about a nice girl, and man. You just come jump me out. Yo, what now?
The boss still left one bag of money in a car. Come dig up on one photo shoot or yesterday. And in the left one bag of money like here.
I did rent the car from my brother.
Yeah, in the rent it from me.
I mean, not like to start. You can't just wake up people saying, you know.
Sorry.
You couldn't stand over there and say, hello. Stand over there and say, hello. Me call my brother first. Me call my brother. We party inside there, though. We party in the car.
In the back.
So looking at back then, non take out tea. Well, me call, wait. Me call my brother first. Me call my brother. Yeah, brother. You know, somebody come check me a while ago, say, they left some things like, how we they rent the car? They left some things like car. How we rent the car? Oh, I want a girl from the other side of the show. Yes, they left sitting in the car. All right, brother, all right. All right, looking at your back, if I say, let me pull it, man. Look like you're weak, though.
Oh, God, thank you, Jesus. Sit there.
What kind of money?
US.
A real money, that?
No, man, a fake money. I want money what we use in a video shoot yesterday. Intermediate at the video shoot. Not real money, a fake money.
Let me see them. Wallahi. It look real though, man. What kind of US money?
Yeah, US money there.
So I can't get a couple of them. They look real, man. I feel one of them. Oh, wow. Me tell you. So you can't give me a couple of them? Your boss won't know. Thank you very much, man. Thank you very much. So you good though?
Yeah,
Alright, movie star. Where the video in?
yeah.
When me release my song, I will check on you. Yeah?
Alright.
Alright. Oh, boy.
Oh, what is you send on my phone? Jesus Christ, I did true then. You have a earbud. No worry, no man. You have a earbud. Hello. What is?
What that?
Look good, not why you this? Why you this girl? Why you this? Why you this? You don't know why you?
That no look like me.
Girl. Oh, you tell me say you're my man in a nothing.
Me and your man not in a nothing, girl. What you talk about?
Girl, you get caught you still at the night. You get caught you still at the night. Say you and him not in a nothing.
Deny what? That
Oh,
don't
you
look
see
like
you
me.
yes and him there yes so.
That does not look like me. That you know see your AI. That look like me.
Girl, don't make me slap you to the phone. Now come out of my house. Come out of my house. Pack up. Take up your things and man come out of. Take up your things and man come out of my house. Take up your things and man come out of my house.
Alright.
Girl, what is for?
Come out of my
Mother
house.
with
Just
the
hurry up and come out of my house.
No bother with the excitement.
This girl come here accuse me. I talk about
Girl, come out of my house. Tell her to come out of my
That
house
is
now.
not me, ma'am.
Every time come out and leave the house, but that's no bother with the excitement.
Just
Come out of my house. There's a piece I look for. I don't know what to call you. You lie, you're wicked, everything in a one. You're so disgraceful. Come out of my house. Or you can come out and I'm a talk. You see the ear them where you're having? The ear them where you're having? I want them. Pull out me ear them.
alright. What pull out take here? That me know what kind of foolishness this.
Pull out me ear them. Pull out me ear them. Go take up your things them, girl. You think I joke me and me go take up your things them. Like your son full, I didn't want to stay now.
Alright, no matter what the excitement, just calm down. Calm.
Crosses, girl. You can't stand it. Oi, pull up me hear them. And this a lady a tell me, say, you asleep
You
with my
catch
man.
me with
Yes, catch up with the
You
woman,
catch me with
man.
man. You see
You
you
surprised
get
to see you get around
You
with the
see you.
woman, man, and look what the woman do for you. And you say you're not a friend. You have to tell me neighbor, because I keep that.
Okay, you know, she have to come
You-
out.
Yeah. You have to tell her, because this a woman and your
Nothing
friend.
no go so. Nothing no go so.
If
AI
you're
that
on the
fire
phone, if you're
AI
on
that
the phone.
fire phone.
Look here now, mama, me just want to say thanks for tell me, me respect that.
Yeah, man.
Me will deal with this.
No,
Yeah.
but she
Me not
don't
touch
take
her,
care
me not gonna put myself in a film for some crosses, girl, you know. Me just want her to come out of my place, pull out my ear, me dead serious. Pull out my ear, if never take a 1 ear, 3 ear, me not care, pull it out. Crosses like uno destroy people relationship.
Not in for this try nothing.
Make sure I look and see if you have nothing else left here. I don't want you have nothing here in my place. And when you do, they can go empty out the room. Can't believe me. Say the girl wicked. You see yesterday the day when you tell me?
Yeah.
Answer her now. The girl don't make me know so she don't know nothing about that. I lie you tell.
No, she couldn't say a lie until come see her with my 2 eyes. And when me see them, the way them frightened and pause, me have to come tell you.
Girl, pull out my ear for me, slam my head in a something. Pull out my ear.
No matter, slam her.
I let me feel the car now.
No, man.
Let me feel the car, girl.
Just take
Come out,
take it
Let me feel the car now. Pull out my ear.
Take it easy, my girl.
Some hold something and cut it
Yeah,
out.
please, may you come from fire. You choose to believe people over me.
You're not keeping my life for sure.
Girl,
Regardless for your neighbor.
girl, pull out my ear. Me a wait.
Me a pull you out, man.
Action.
Jamila! Wagwan friend. Y'all, I want to show you say your friend rich. Yo, a while ago, I see up on the bike and I come. I saw you delete on the bike back, so. You have to hold on tight, you know. So I tell me, see, like one and I said, so, how you there drink?
No.
You just enjoy yourself. So you go, my friend. One life you have to live. Watch out. Your friend rich.
How will you win?
I'm some fat, yo, see how money. I'm foreign people them sending. I'm fine. Take 2 of them. You're 30,000 that you know.
You sure this is
Mama, may I get nothing fake? Take it to her.
you broke and paparazzi.
So I'm just getting my brother just win the lotto in a US money. Take that 2 bills and help yourself. Yeah, my friend, you know. Don't miss a line up to a girl if we not do it to me. What I want.
Your friend, they want rich man.
But watch out now,
bro.
watch out. I get him back the money. I try me. Checking out. I fake money. Yeah, yeah, money. No, but you know, as a friend, see that, watch out. Remember, money. Movie, use only. So it's like a movie, but you know, me and your friend. The girl them dead there now. This is money here, I go check you all of them. You can't put it on your status. Some rich, just take a picture and put it on TikTok. Just, please don't.
No.
Just put it on TikTok and your money king.
You know, say you're gonna make it get it. I bet they get in this one.
No. They not gonna know in time we give them this and make God, they never see me again. But you see. But you
But
anyway.
they know your face though, so it sense.
They know my face and then go know how my taste. Watch out. Yo, that's my baby family, but me I tell you, it feel like a real money. Me know money, you know, so I feel like a real money. But anyway, what you say? You know what I'm saying?
No.
My brother carry now. I'm going to town, so I have to carry now. With this and the car, you know, you know how it go. Anyway, I find out me I go. See? Me have a talk. Me have to go try.
Try to make them kill you. And that man try to do.
No, I'm so. Me wait till them come in my room. Me just dash it on them so. Then another time, so by the time I chicken money, me roll them over. And give them a forget. By the time they figure about everything, man, I tell you. Then now I get no time to check it. After I buy me, I buy them. Me not tell them I'm rich. Me not buy nothing. So if them catch up on and say money fit, must say, oh shit, me mix up the fake money for a big movie that we're doing in England and the real money. So give me back the fake money, my real one thing. Then we get one month again before I get the real one. May we talk now, friend?
Alright.
Dance for the hustle.
I'm getting that too. Yes, sis.
Hello, sister girl. What go on?
Nothing, you know, you're good.
Yeah, man. You know, some I want to touch on the west side, though. Come look phone and think a long time, I know so, no.
Oh. Yeah, man, you can't go look for me, man.
Okay, cool.
You remember which family still?
Yeah. Of course. Yeah, man.
Girl, you come down there and you walk up. You're wasting, but that's how I make more than I come with you.
Alright.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Please change up, man. You look different, though.
Jamila! Yeah! Jamila! Me at home. What's your sister age?
Yeah. I look for the place and I say it look nice. Why I set it up great, good. Thanks. Come on, hurry up, man. You're gonna miss me. So one.
Nothing. Come in the room.
Say girl, that was a hell of a trip. The back of the car off.
My. So no. Well, I guess it's a deep place.
It's actually a long time when I see each other, so.
Oh yeah, so how things are going?
No, I said,
No.
why? I don't even know if it's say. I don't even know if it start the story.
Why this so bad? Sorry, I go with your sis.
I said, sis, why? Things are going up a country, you know, but at the same time, me I try to avoid people. Cause they always I try to mix me up in a some situation where me not have no parts of doing. You know people turn already.
Yeah.
When they get corrupt and things. So me I try to avoid them situation there. Cause me no want you get a call and say me dey a prison or something happen to me when me have to reach hospital. You understand?
I understand that. Sis, me hear what you're saying, but you have to go in a details me understand. Okay, me a little sister. So, but yeah, explain in the details me, please and thank you.
Sis, you remember old time school friend from high school, Trish? Yeah. So me and her they live together and thing. She and her boyfriend in a one with me there in a one part. You see me? Anyways, some bad mind here about just start come round, you know? Get to know me. You know, so Trisha live there already, so they know each other already. Get to start to know me. I mean, I know if I through the way how me look, make them start text it for me. Then start spread rumors. Send me and my friend. Me are there with my friend man. And then me something there go on. So that's why I say me a deep. Cause I don't like messy things like them there. You know me and that the girl come from far. Me nah go do them this only.
So sis, when I say you're deep, so you're deep to come down push back me there. I don't understand that. But anyways, I don't think so really are going. Well, my mind there with the politician man, you know. I did young stills, but I tell you say, we take money off him because you can't make him go out about it. And look at the situation that you're up in now.
Girl, this somebody here. Any man will touch you have to spend penny. You know how much money me take off of that the politician there? You amount of millions. Sometimes when me get the money in my hand, me have to look penny and I shake to blows now. Cause I'm nervous.
So, you take off amount of money off him. So, what money they see?
Girl, Jamila, the man did spend his money right round the clock. He even rent me one apartment. That's why I never really have focus to build nothing. Cause me did enjoy myself. Cause me I say money not coming easy. So, you know. Anyways, my best friend ended up starts when we are spending on some party on this one day. Me that girl some cash same way. She did save her money and put towards for her house. Then so me end up have to move. Cause me get kicked out of my apartment cause the whole thing escalate. And the wife go find out say me I deal with her husband that are the politician. Yeah, so everything just crashed there. So comes me end up have to live with my best friend. You understand? I know funny. The girl have the nerves to go and beat me, you know. Or hearsay, you know. From me and the girl that come from so far, brother, I can't believe so she really gonna go sit down and listen to people. And she knows that me and somebody will stay so.
Sis, I get what you're saying about. I know say I see anything, you know, because you will take a girl, man. So, your best friend thinks you're going to take her, man, like you take the woman, politician, man. So, I remember saying it with my cousin, man, too.
Girl, that different. Me and her come from far, so therefore, me not think she fi have that in her head. You see me?
Sis, if you text money, man, I think they're not happy today, say what today, man. Imagine if me, how
You
I'm
know
right
what's
now.
the only reason why me take that the politician man there, cause me don't know him like that.
Mm-hmm.
Him the far out and feel that because they know you know something like that girl there. You know something like that girl there. And I feel man call me, so me just, you know, do what me feel do, you see me? Yeah.
It's just...
But my best friend now? No, I wouldn't. That would have come like me and take care, man.
Alright. Alright, sis, man. No. So, how well do you know?
You know, so me say, being as better down here, me I go kick back. Because I see what go on. See if I can get back myself up on my feet.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
So, sis, I wish part I will keep back. You know how no way.
No, that's actually what you
Sis, what do you mean? I'm with you.
So, sis, you not ever ask me. Suppose I have a man that come in here and I tell me I come country pan. Which part we are going to see? A one room I had done, you know. A room around there, say, you know. You not done, you know. So better set it there around there, so there's a part in already finished. So, I wish part I go see this.
Why better me grow on this then? Cause me never know if you have a boyfriend. I want one. Oh, me not know about that.
I just want you to meet him still, you know.
Okay.
But we help you set up around this, so cause everything look untidy, so we help you set up around it and you can stay around there.
Yeah, thanks for sister. But you know I could have realized for you. When some people think that I don't know if you go, I can't always rely on my sister.
Yeah.
Anyways, yeah, go this go see if go up on the beach or this go see if I can find a rich man.
Yes, you better go look work. Where you go to Palm Beach, go look this no rich man for.
Girl, me not say what you say wrong, you know. That's true still, but if the work don't work out, if the 9 to 5 don't work out, something has got to go on.
Alright, sis, I hear you.
Alright,
Go see what you want to go soon before we eat. Like where you're there.
do you think then, man?
Alright.
Later.
What go on, mama?
Nothing enough fire. What happened?
Why, if I when you see you go line up a local friend from you, me have to carry on my brother gone to town, you know. You have to carry for 1 2 days, you know.
Fire.
For a girl from me, what?
Fire. My friend, they want man who have money we can spend on them. Are your brother things you deal with, bro?
But still, they don't know that. Before then, if you figure out something I no money, me done get what I want already and me can't more than that. Get me now no money, what me do? If you suffer, you me now no money.
I girl, let me want to kill you. And then come to me and complain.
Hey, you're my friend, you know. And when me I give the girl them go love it, they should be paying me for this, right?
Paying you for what?
You know, put no value for your friend life, you know. What you say? But you don't find no, so you know, no new one.
No, me not have none.
Oh, no say a word. This one nice, you thing I come now, one brown girl. Look like you new to be here right now.
Jesus Christ, no, Father.
You know, yeah, me make you know what go on, my friend. You know, cause you hold me out, you know, but watch out. Still, things still go on for me. If you want to know, you call me, you know, me can jump, you have a look up later and thing. Here?
No, me take taxi, me good.
No, mama, me a friend. Me not two charges, buy some gas, put in my car, alright?
Alright, fire. Me hear you.
Woman, nice lady, what go on?
Hello. I'm not talking to walk foot, you know.
What you talking about?
What you mean by you sit down there so you walk me.
Man. Calm down, man. You can't walk foot. You have to walk, yes, but I'm not walk foot. Watch out. I'm my car that. I'm here hold up a car. First, me I see you door.
Yes, me new to the area, man.
Come in, man. You don't know what you can't miss. Look for me. You cannot call me walk foot. Yeah, you all want to watch. Right now, the workers them try to go watch. I make some and now I'm going to take a look at breeze off while them do some work on business place. Me I hold up a business place. Yeah, man. So first, me I see you door.
Yeah, you know, say I walk a second time, man.
And you pass, yes, so and you see me?
Like come and say, me see you sit down up here, so I don't know what I want.
This is our money, look. This is, look for me, this is money. Money is not the one with flancy. This is money, this is rich. Real rich. I'm a big vehicle, I'm going to drive them out of the deal. This is, I'm a sporting, I can't too much people are taxi too much money. But I mean, I'm all about the place.
Time hard, you know, no girl, no one, no man with your spend time, you know.
No worry yourself.
Honest truth, you hear me?
Hello.
Yeah.
I want me have to run and hide my woman. When I spend money on them, buy them house, car, land, van, truck, bus, bicycle, anything what they want. That's how I deal with them, man.
You just say about that?
So what's your name though?
My name is Riri.
Call me Money Jackson. Oh, yeah, then call me, man. Real.
wait there.
Yeah, man. Michael Jackson, my cousin.
What's your number in that
How we are going now?
You know, say me go home to and my sister say she have some food. I mean, kind of.
Yeah, what about sister? Talk about food, man. Come carry go one place, go buy you some food. Then carry back to one of my ends them. You acting rude. And then me dash some US pan you while in the nude. Come there.
So,
Alright, to reach her now. You want know. Because me I carry you going now. It's not the official mansion, you know. See, mansion up at Italy. But me have some people that work and they love watch people too much. So me have a look how ends are so. Go there, go build back and all of that. But tell her to get the big food. Look at the food where you get big. And money man, you roll it, you know.
Listen. Me tell you something I eat much, so that's why I'm pick the small one. Me more for drink than eat. Me got no big.
Alright, me like how you got still. Alright. So I could go another place to go look.
Alright.
No mind the place though. And the place, I just focus on me. Original Money King. No worry yourself.
Anything you say, that me work with.
Watch it ends, man. I just run with there, I drink. Or something there. Alright, so. Just said, yeah, come down. You tell her about you, you know. Tell us a money place at the end of the day. What did the money then?
It's not my concern.
Go there again. Ready? Sit down on the bed.
Me already sit down on the bed.
You have to get nude yet. Now watch it. Watch it. You don't get nude yet. You don't get nude yet. Tell you. This is like my drugs base. Yeah? I be illegal things going on. So drugs and things.
Then put money.
So how you think the money come? So the my money here straight from foreign when I fly down, you know. Yeah. So like you take the money at time for you lie down. That was good though. That was worth it. But you know, you have a bag of things to do. So time to jack back and for your place. You can't go in when I feel up here. I don't know if I live directly. I live back in the town.
You don't feel like say you feel up more.
Hello, Mr. Don't worry yourself about money. Next time you see and I give you money, you alone can carry it. I tell you. I never know to go see it today. No? There's a little chump change in there. Don't worry yourself, man. And what you have there, you deserve money. Don't worry yourself. So don't worry yourself, man. Love at first sight. You know? You know, see, I them things that we depend. Now, if you do our next business transaction, because we have millions on the line enough to go clear. Millions on the line to go clear. You know what money?
Of course.
Alright, so come drop you off the party. If you go back on the road again because money did they forget. Don't show nobody your money, you know, because they TV, you know. You put it in your purse and lock it up.
Can't take my money.
Yeah. Who that? Yeah? Come in now.
Girl, sister, girl, make the jackpot.
Oh, you're not sick. You find work.
Work. Money, fine. She wants a rich nigga, she's not joking. Look at some ill figure.
Listen, if you find work, you're gonna find man. I'm sure to find man now.
You see them place I'm telling you I go? Sky Beach.
Yeah, no father.
Some meet one nice Rasta man.
Rasta.
Yeah. Yes. I drive big car, big beast. Yeah.
I know someone bad steals, but you sure tell the people about it?
Me don't know, but me don't care about that still. But you know, say all the money me
You
there.
remember what happened last time you come to me done about?
Girl, no worry about that. You don't have to worry about that. As long as you got the cash. You see me? Yeah.
Alright, I hear you.
So.
Oh boy! There you now! Yo! Tell us about work, you know!
I hear you. How about?
And I tell you, One gone. And plenty more to go. I said, book of her today. See, I'm telling them about the beach. Wait. Hey. This when you see money, so? But they have one dead $2,000 pound. Carry go buy her food. Carry her going on my cousin ends. I'm gonna start dashing money for her. So me a dashing money. So me a dashing money. So me a dashing money. Me a tell you.
They are dash fear money for the people that pick me.
Yeah, me a tell you. You see the more me dashing money, and the more she dash. So she don't dash it. What's on? We soon come. Yeah, no, I'm a friend. We soon come.
No.
No.
Come back here, so.
Wow, we soon come.
I really did
How is she? Stop. How is she?
My sister. What you mean by Ushi? What you ask about Ushi?
No, me ask no because I'm friends for a long time. Me never say sister.
Yes. Big sister this guy.
Hey, big sister.
So you're not
She not really big, no. She not big. Remember, say your friend rich, right? Your friend rich, right? She not big.
I want to check up. No, I want to go on that so. So you with the rich.
And no, make Mary talk. Here, big. Love you.
Come here, so we need to talk.
No, me have to go up on the road. Go need some. Remember saying, your friend have businesses to take.
Hello.
Ask your sister about me rich. Don't be rich, right? Don't be rich.
Then you're rich. Give me the money now. See money that in your hand.
The more money, take money. Take what you want.
Give me everything.
Alright. Later.
Wait. No, I won't go on there, so. Why, sis? I don't know what to say, right? No, sir. I want it. No, talk to me. I want one. How long you know him? A long time still. You didn't look for the money before you we never think we didn't need to check nothing still. Zawa. You know, see money is sis. Our look for the money. What you mean? Look for the money. What the for the money? What the for the money? Movie. There you go. Movie props used. Oh, you make the man give you fake money. First of all, I'm a friend and that knowledge. So, a chicken boy. Seriously, man. Yo, Gucci. To fake money. I trick the boy really trick me. Okay, so go look for. Me go sad and blood clot. You wait. So Father God help me. But anyways, my sister come today on her room.
Sister? My back room.
Yeah. Then when she said, I'm telling her, so she tell her, so she there. For my dad was good at the yard.
Yeah, come with that one there for you. You good otherwise?
Yeah, I'm good.
I'm saying I'm my number one baby, you know.
Have to.
One girl can get between like a Z. I like the chips. Yes. That's something to tell her to you.
What?
And you say, the uncle. National boy them. Man, they are real dogs, you know. Go on, pop the balloon challenge.
So what you happy about it for?
So we can go on TV.
What the hell you go for? You're not going. If you think you're bad, go me like me are nice.
What babes, you know, say you have a baby, but that's a
Me no business and I'll go.
But that's a go for bust balloon, be.
Like you deaf. Alright. Go on. Think about go on.
You never got a birthday party and see balloon and busting, it sound
Listen,
fun.
think you're bad. Go on and something.
So be why bad vibes so me can go on so strong. You know, see, I'm a little bit. Be a balloon there. Go balloon there, babes. You like balloon?
Pop the balloon and find out. You know, hear that?
People don't find out love, sometimes I go poppy. I mean, I want to find out about it. I mean,
Point is, do not go.
even want to go on TV so you can
You
see
want
me.
to go on TV? Then we step in my room and record a simple.
That up on phone be more on TV. TV more go on the pussy balloon. So me not find no love me go. What word mean? Reject them.
You know go. We don't talk.
But you can come to and sleep on the next side and
Come let's see that.
bossy boy them balloon to so they know so they not
Come
get it.
let know say me's a mad girl. You're not going. Me don't talk. Me say me ever hear or see say you go me off from him.
So me get bad me up.
Why you not talk to me right now?
So, babes,
Wow.
what challenge deal? Me no want nobody.
Me no business. If you don't want to buy that means you have to go.
You more. So me go bossy balloon be me not pick no
You're
girl.
not fit. Go.
Alright, babes. Alright, now I'm gonna pray. So what else me not do? You just too long and I'm still and some things go up and the deal, you know. You never deal with something on the road and come back.
Where?
I feel my boy will chat me and just pick up the food. You know hungry?
No, I'm not hungry. I'm my business.
I'll get 2 juice made and we soon say
Me don't want to eat that.
I keep on a bit later and a
Me
bit.
don't want to go.
Alright, go and get some rest. Let me check your back on the time. Is it?
Let's try not to have come back in the door lock.
Do it lock.
Let's try not to party as well.
You can't see man and make you walk with grace, man. No bother with that.
Walk with me. That's what you know, you know that?
You will soon come back. Sure, I come back. Hey, the baby. Hear me, baby? I don't like when you go on there with them and like you're not happy for me, you know.
Me know I go pop. Oh, so you will happy for one pop the balloon. You not even say nothing else. Pop the balloon.
Yeah, everything good, man. Okay, come like, you know, I'm going to go up on this in terms of walk with Grace, coming up walk with nobody. And Grace alone make a walk with, you know.
I'm not business.
And Grace don't want nobody.
You not go. Me don't talk.
I'm on credit. Soon come back. Here, go on. Alright, so soon come back, babe.
I'm not business. Now she did it. I'm going to blast it. Pop the balloon. This. Oi. There's a thing here. That's so just here. Yeah, man, we don't care to take some money breeze, you know. Well, anyways, we got 40 years in. But now I'm there. Now I'm up on the road. I'm now going back to them, so.
Okay. Alright. Do your thing, man. Your business come down already.
Hey. Oh, you're good? You don't want to?
Oh, man.
You sure? If you want to
Everything
eat.
in the house already, so.
Hey, if you don't feel like you cook nothing, just call me. And if you mean I'm not cooking, you can eat that.
Alright.
Anyways. My boyfriend for a morning. I'm gonna get him, whatever. But if you come back and call me, tell him I'm going to road. He named Tap Link.
Oh, alright. I will definitely call you after tonight.
Alright. Hang up on the road.
Alright, take your time.
Bye,
Sister, look nice.
Yeah, babes. Babes. Jamelia. Means see how that.
Jamila is not here, you know.
Who you be? Who you be to Jamila? Me Jamila man, you know.
Me and Jamila's sister. We just come here one day.
Where she gone? Where she gone?
Me don't know. She never tell me where she'll go.
Yeah, man, babes, I left for you every minute, you know, man. Make sure you know boy and sit down with pan on corner, you know. Anyways, I'm Tapley.
Okay, nice to meet you, Topley.
So.
So, how long your sister be now?
See, I have no name.
Oh, it's my bad.
You nervous or something ugly?
No, No man, you're good man. My name Riri.
Riri. Oh, nice to meet you again.
Nice to meet you. So you can come in that place, you know, you don't have to turn up outside, you know. You know my sister not there.
Yeah, cause Jamaican not me still here so neither, so I'm free.
Hey. Yeah. So what one? How long you have start talk no?
It's a good one, my sister that when she in school, and you can't take her virginity, isn't it?
Okay.
So she had me as her shoulder, as he.
Okay.
I went from married to big families. For me, one was a Jamaican, I have a nice sister like you.
Yeah, I'm here the eldest, so you know.
Yeah, the eldest. So, where you come from? Where you stay?
Over country, you know.
Can't see
Country where I
fire.
come from.
Can't see fire, man. So, where do you plant your man coke on his in there?
No, sir. And them too nice for that.
See, yeah, when I work this country girl, them.
What do you mean, workplace? I'm an entrepreneur. That don't mean say me have to plan them
Yeah.
something there.
Entrepreneur.
Hair and nails and them something there.
Oh,
Yeah.
I'm going to like say if I mean like I use insure, I mean entrepreneur. But, you understand me?
No, man.
That's something you mean.
Not like that.
Oh. Why? So where you live with idea?
Yeah, go on easy back. I wait for a Rasta man to call me, you know.
Your man,
Yes, sir.
Marasta.
Yes, sir.
So you like nothing on the front line. Be not eat. You know something the Rasta do, you know. So,
But dear?
you never go to a ball again.
Yeah. What do you mean by
You know, ball the right type.
right eye?
You mean with 1 week.
Boy. Anyways, yeah, my sister man, you stay in a lane.
Come in and come out. How you gonna talk about? We just sit here saying so we can't reason, we just have a reason. We have to talk about staying in a lane. Me always in a lane.
Okay, I'm glad.
Which
Keep
lane
it
is it?
like that.
Back road lane is it?
What do you mean by back road lane?
Come here start talking about lane business and I wonder if they lane they go for.
No, dear.
You like hear about it?
Me hear about it, but that's not my line.
Which line? The front road? More wrong. It's a nice door. 32 the back.
I said this, I just saw.
No. I build my bills up. That's
You
what
wanna
I'm
call
here.
my sister?
That's why she love me, so I'm waiting. I would love to see her.
Alright, let's see if I can get her on the phone. Sis,
Yeah.
you know I say your boyfriend calling you. I'm here for you to see another year.
Oh, girl, I'm there far right now. I'm not reach back for now.
I'm not gonna kill you.
Aye.
Let me go. Let me go.
Yeah, because she said she get fired. So.
Oh, so that makes me feel like I know that.
It's so weird. She don't write that so. Oh yeah, go. Where you rush to go?
I have that one.
Oh yeah, rush to go.
So I agree.
Here. You know, say. Still, yeah, so we tell though.
Oh, that's a dark one.
You know, say. Start out to other man.
Serious?
Mm-hmm.
Sister really betray me like that?
Dear.
And she alone me a talk
Yes,
to.
young girl, yeah.
So she take me for fool all along. Grown me thing. So what else you know? Where you see her going?
Yes, you know, say. I like you though. We that say we could have gone, you know?
Remember.
What do you mean gone one?
I don't know. Listen, Ken.
Of course, what do you mean by?
I'm going after that one. Somebody else. Yes.
Yeah, mommy. You good? Ate already? Oh. Well, I don't know yard me ako go because my sister wanted it, you know. Yeah, she good man, she alright and things. Yeah. Should I told her they call me to you now, tell me some boyfriend come look for me so. Mommy, we know say a lot of things happen, but come on. I'm a sister by blood. Although Mommy, I understand about you must say. I'm a sister. I'm look funny. Understand say your best friend take your man and then go have she and then you forgive him though. So you must can forgive she because
Action. Why? Jamaican feel good though.
You say if you go man.
Feel like a long time to do it. I want to know you do something like this.
I see a good while now still.
Have you meet a save up under there?
Of course.
A sexy panty the way in like a big plan for this
my
man.
husband, yes.
You know something I come.
Are you my husband?
I'm not really but chose to see me something start jump. I feel a little bit tight. Remember I say head pink like a lip in eye and still make cute as you know.
Yeah.
So I feel.
It was good. Better than what I did expect.
So which one I position them my best? Which one I love the most?
Missionary.
Mama and
Like
Papa.
when I look in my ear, you know? Yeah.
I feel the strokes now, yeah. So anyways, can do one more rounds.
Of course.
you forgive him though. So you forgive him. That's how you met me though. Mommy, come on. You know, the sis is not like that. Yeah. Hey. You sure it's a good though? Okay. But remember, because forgive the mother, you know, because your best friend same way, so you have to forgive her.
Aye. I'm like the more I'm going to sweet I get.
Anyways, I feel like a time to make up back the bed or something because, you know, my sister coming here going to catch me. So, better with the pant up her sheet.
Yeah, I wonder if we could have done third rounds. Yeah, who are her? Wow, your sister obviously who are her bad girl.
Certain things need to be left unsaid. But come. So oh yeah, my sister meet.
You know, so if I tell you the honest truth, I cry bush me and people I'm go on night. I'm see her up on the roadside. I'm feeling just take her. Feel like I'm a dream girl, so I just start talk to her, you know. And from that, if you find out if you're a virgin, you know, maybe be first man in her life. She have plastic on her seat. So come to meet her. From this, I'm gonna stop talk to her.
Lord God, I know that just no show.
Oh, I'm not sure.
You figure out what today already?
General, you the man them business.
Exactly.
Let me take her virginity, so no man can let me forget about her. You see me? Not even you. I went there good stuff. Not tell you the truth. You see me? Because she spend her money for me more while to see me. See if we a real girl. I mean, I feel like you have done the realist like what she have. You see me?
Oh, that's your opinion still.
It's opinion.
Sis! Where did you sleep?
How can I reach ya?
Just a while ago. With some boyfriend back on this so
What?
yeah, so Wendy.
My boyfriend gonna gone long time. We had talk about.
What?
See, one woman like me. Why you think she come?
What should I tell me saying that yet? Well, I'm gonna look at him. So it's a bit of the same bike, but some level to the last bit steals anyways. But I feel bike.
Yeah, man, me tell us I feel bike. I chose something to do with him bike. He say my go for something to fix you up and thing. And same time, me go drop asleep in a bed. So, you don't know.
Oh, but I feel one still.
Yeah.
Come left the
Me end up drop asleep in a bed because the mattress run there. So, I don't know why something with me. That make me back a hurt me, man.
Like so me buy one new mattress for you then.
Exactly. It's like that I forgot.
Alright. How long is this?
You know what's I love you.
Mm-hmm.
Love you now.
Love you too, sis.
Look, then me a complain about my back I had decided to buy mattress for me.
Hey, make you comfortable. So okay. When time I go on the road, me I go up on the road and you can see which mattress you like. Still.
Alright, that's so
So
Babes! Babes! Babes!
yeah.
Call on me there, I check for you. I'm gonna say you see you come back.
Oh,
How are you this long?
but that on the road. Look about something I want.
Where you on the road, girl? You think me you see how much money I have done in the road?
Where man come from?
Where you going on the road, girl? You not even tell me say they go on the road and I come and say check for you.
So every time I call you, I tell you so I go somewhere.
So babes, after me meet up on the road, when me got me good crab bush, give all of my heart, my love, and my soul be, and you tell me say I go on the road go sit down with man?
Me don't go on the road no man.
Where you go on the road go do?
I got the bank.
Where money?
Money for my cat.
Where say? Where money?
For my cat, you want it?
So for you got the bank, the money you must pick up.
I know.
Or if you got a bank and come back with
There
your
was
long
a
hand.
problem with my card.
You know some feel say sister a better girl for you. I feel say sister a better girl for you. Because I just come today and I meet your sister and your sister give me a good conversation, you know. Give me water to drink and much sitting, you know. How you never... Babes,
Oh, we
babes.
are trying to tell me, sir.
Let me see what I'm trying to tell you, say.
Where are trying to tell me?
Your sister behave good than you since lately. How every minute you go on the road now. I know me a hear people on the road. I talk about pay man, you don't on the road with. But if you drink rum pan corner, you know tell me say the light me sitting there.
First of all,
no toppling.
Smoke out weed! What kind of style that? How can I mission in the pan? I didn't know kind of boy they have fella.
remember said person, of your house.
And my house.
So you call it me door for of your house?
Yo, you don't even know you make me feel, you know. You don't even know you make me feel, you know. And my heart, you have, you know. My heart. Why you behave like that?
Because you come from me heart because I go accuse me as slow me now.
From your talk to me never cheat on you yet, you
No,
know?
that's not what I say. What evidence there?
Which evidence?
What evidence there?
Anytime me find
What
that.
evidence there?
Anytime me find that. That's not me in a problem.
Listen, no calm down, no calm down.
Talk to her.
Like you fussy.
Yeah.
What the issue?
Talk to her. Your sister and go and go the people and down on the road them say, pay man. She sit down on corner with a drink and
No,
a
sir, I
smoke.
don't believe nothing like that. My sister is a good girl. My sister is a good girl. No,
Babes,
she not come with
what
them.
all of this all about? What change?
No, not change. What you talk about? You see,
Oh!
accuse me.
And them give them a chain for their wear. Them a Buddha sitting here.
Me buy me one of things.
So you follow a little all kind of chopper boy them.
Me not follow nobody.
So are you saying this? Are you voodoo this? And this is you use to hold me down. Eh?
Me not follow them.
How can I change this a B? B, how can I change this a? How can I face this a?
No, relax now. You're
Look at
not
sister neck.
here, sir.
Look at your sister neck.
So if you do with me, me and she are two different things though.
I can see that, but B, me not like how you're going since
Yeah,
lately.
this. You accuse me of something and you know, you go make me and you have a problem now.
Babes, me must have bike back up on every day up on the road, you know, when we are traveling, you know. I mean, no one you make no boys sit down on the road, sit down and laugh off of me.
So who did? Nobody have a time.
So like people might tell for you.
Okay, me ask you, where evidence you have me can see?
Check it out in the B, because I don't really want to find no evidence in the camera. I mean, have nothing, you know. So make sure I lie them I tell. You see me? Make sure.
You know, you
I lie them I tell.
You make that
No.
Go ahead.
But you not no manners. I understand. You come in here accuse me sister of foolishness. I want hug.
You're not talking.
Talking.
You're not talking. Case should all keep silent over this and let it go on. Copy like people don't know like them I tell. Make sure you're not a man for you, you know. I make a come check you back.
Go ahead. Is that thank you?
Love you, baby.
Go on.
What you mean by love? What you mean by love? You just did accuse me sister of foolishness. So what?
That's true love. True love break up and come back. Crush up and mend back. Don't you know that? True love go through.
If that you consider as love, me and you can't be no sister.
You know what you think of me, man.
Me and you can't be no sister. Bad something me have to laugh. Cause if that you call love, I don't want to see how love look like.
The other part of life, you know, everybody show they love different skills, you know, so it go. Anyways, tomorrow, me and you gonna go buy something them. I go Walla 5, I made that hot me. I have to talk about fire road, so. Oh yeah, go.
You know I'm gonna win, so I'm come with you. So let's go on the road. So
You know what? We do it right now, come on.
alright, I'm gonna take up and back.
Alright.
I can't believe say that the cross is man they you have. I mean go it.
Why not cool and nice and free? I know, right? It's alright.
Anyways, I'm gonna go in the kitchen and work some free time.
Happy cook now, be. Could be a son of cuddle.
I'm hungry.
You never cook.
Well, no, my husband fish can don't remember back to Africa again.
One steamed fish and okra beef. Or cook your shrimp in there. Or crab them and catch yesterday.
Alright, what about it?
Which one?
What about the crab?
Take your time, you know.
Yeah.
Need any help, you call me here.
Alright.
Scared look good on my body though.
Sis. Oi. No, something new, you hungry?
Yeah man,
Yeah.
where you cook?
Well, that means I want the crab, so I know it goes.
Oh yeah, you know some of those seafood already, so
Max, I have no one.
You know, say, me have one dream last night. And I want to come through the work.
What kind of dream? Like SpongeBob and SquarePants?
Kind of picnic thing you did. Anyways, my dream say, me on the bike and we ride out walking on the town, isn't it?
Oh, dream that goes straight, man. Maybe me and your sister. I go live on my bike or something. So when you just start dreaming about them or something?
I don't know, it just start happening.
You see, the things you think about, the dream about, still not think you think about me.
No, maybe.
So you want your dream come
Of
true?
course. So wait a minute, who you gonna tell her? Guys, she in the kitchen, so
So if you tell her something,
me have to tell her something and you tell her something. Is it?
oh, so you don't tell her.
Yeah.
Oh, me find something, me
Me
find
have
something.
find something. You know, I'm not tell her something I go on the road.
Oh, me can't tell her, say, pick up something.
Okay, then.
Alright,
Alright. Well done.
alright.
Sis,
Yeah.
I see you in the kitchen and stir your pot though.
Yeah.
Yeah, I just come to tell us say me I go on the road. Yeah. I know why you're there, look for me and you know see me, you know?
Oh.
So put on my crab and food, you hear? Cause me I go deal with somebody right now. Me don't want to come back and me not have my crab, you see me?
Hi, sis.
Yeah.
B, Bill,
Yeah.
what's the boy that's calling me?
Every time your friend call you, just smile.
No, in the warehouse I want to move from what because the landlord tell him say he can't to stay upon that the land there again. As in he house a thing but the land not thing so he said crane just come and he want to come help him. Put up your house on the crane so we can pick up piece of food from him see him so we can buy some more seafood and something put in the fridge just eat so I go let him and come back here.
Alright, go on with it.
You put too much salt in it.
So go on with it.
I love seeing that kitchen and be just sexy around the little stool and say, yo.
I never told him about this one. I never told him about it before. I must find out.
That was fun.
See the cool man. Father. Someone check in. Yes, let me chill out here while I see. Okay. You know this is cool hearted man. You just pull out the stunt this up.
Oh, you just put out that this one there.
You come up with the idea.
So what we call that thing?
Or I like your style still. I don't say you do every man my place. I feel like you can't run no chicks man. Make sure you tell the sister nothing. If you need to tell the sister nothing, you get no problem here. I'm going to tell her that. I'm going to tell her call her, yo, you need to know. Hello. Yo, Dan, my mother. Yo, I kind of dip on a scene now, you know. The top link man, I got one son man, top link man. I kind of dip on a scene, you know, I deal with one catty. I'm going to introduce her to soon, you see it? So, call me back in a 5 minutes time. Call me back in a 5 minutes time, you see me? Where you see now? Talk.
I wish I had a girl that you had talk to.
My mother call me, man, you see it, but I tell her, see me now.
that.
No, my mother call me, man, I tell her,
that.
see me now, one scene, you see it? So, we talk to her in a
My
few.
sister business that Stevens.
So, company spot for.
Like what I said, the driver was nice.
Yeah, I know that.
Okay, you're bringing here, so we put him money to come over here.
So we are going to do anything, we're going to do the right thing. I know I came down here for waste of time. You know. So I go put it on
As
without
long as
warning.
the money right.
So I'm thinking of the bike ride. You know how much money for that?
But I just bike ride. Bike ride can buy soap, rag, toothpaste and this to clean up body.
Hello. I think of water running on my engine, running on my tank.
That not nothing to do with me.
It's called gas, that's
That
why they be like.
doesn't have anything to do with me.
What's
So,
it for me?
listen. You see, once you enter here, so you have to pay up your fees. So I don't understand what.
At least, man, you'll get more fee, man. But I just try to tell us, say, from we ride out, we've been spending money. Not on you, but on the ride. I understand? And no fear ride.
I need money to spend for me too.
Fear ride, I'll get whole heap more money, man. But just make sure you can take ride and don't run for a ride like you sit up on the bike ride. You understand? And my ride a different ride. You hear that? Bossy.
Oh yeah, tell me.
Oh, see my walker coming. I come from upstage.
Where do I wanna come from?
But give me the on the road and me I come down.
Please go for
I say she want to ride, so I just carry her down. And your sister beat me, can't leave her on the roadside. You know about? Huh? I know say I say every time I come down, you know, because you say you always want to sit down. So be there's nothing for you to think of. You go deal with the thing, you go put the horse.
You didn't want to left me on the road?
You go put the horse on the thing down there. Pick up the piece of food. And I come and see her on the roadside. She found me down there to take her up and carry her down. I can't pass her. She have cussed me and said this and said that. And your family would have cussed me too. So pass your sister on the road. Wait. What? You come
So
out
why you
inside
being
the
so?
time.
Why you being so? No,
No,
you know.
She good man. That's how she stay man. Food ready?
Long time. Wait, my share. Don't know that back here, so we ain't
You know, I have a couple of slides. Come and go on the furniture and everything. Mash up in her place. You bother with that? Eh? I make you every dollar where you spend. See, you do it every minute you go every door and make you lick up. You're going so far. You're going so far. Remember, say, tell me, you know, say, if me up on the road and your sister beg me a ride, me to give her a ride. So me pass on the road and me see her. I pick her up and carry her down. I expect for you to do something. I know say this, you go sit down in the yard.
You know,
Yeah, be in the see her, see her most of the time.
if I didn't know, you would act surprised.
But with that, no surprise, man. Say happy with them coming. You know, happy face and surprise face. Yeah, what do you want to see me happy face? You know that.
Father,
So,
if me a find out say Tony, you know, me have a problem.
what do you mean, Tori in nothing? Tori can't wear the same clothes. So, if Tori are going to something. What do you mean? Like business? Me and your sister not in no business, bitch. What you talking about? You're mad. Me even like your sister. Say you me like. Pretty charcoal. Smooth. Straight nose. Furry hair. People like short hair, man. People like your sister you're short. Gold. Black hair, man. Like. Black skin.
You take me this a black and red down.
I like my skin still. A little bit of black in it. But my sister good. She nice. She not give me no bad energy. She seems sweet. Otherwise, No, like, her heart look clean. No, so she go on dirty way or sing with no dirty company or something leave. Yeah.
I hear you.
If I don't know get it from my father, but
No, we get it from my mother. I'm not about she.
mother bless them, man. You have a tone and a tone and look, that must be. Forget about that, yeah, man. Yo.
What?
Yeah. Nothing wrong with her. The sister seems sweet.
Sweet. Master seems sweet.
Yeah.
No, yeah, come boy seems sweet, you know.
I don't know if I feel energy she have between the same energy we have, you know, but she seems nice. I don't get no very behavior from her. So I pass on the road and I see her, so she found me down. I drop her down the yard, so I just pick her up. I don't say sister, I know your customer come down and say, come pass sister for her. Come on, say you tell me, be say, you can get her a ride if I see her anyway.
Alright. Anything you say, no work with.
You know, if you think you look a negative way, there, doesn't make you know, say, yeah, my one and all, you see.
Like that just say.
But you be, I'm seeing a man.
No man you name.
What that's supposed to mean?
No man you name.
I know that from little when I grew up, but what that's supposed to mean?
That means that anything cares or they what they don't mean it.
No, I that man mean. Man mean after we sperms get used and man sperms get to make it up on the earth. So if you respect man, look up to man, and believe in a man.
Believe in a man, then we'll see one turn one and broke you man in heart.
So what? And a man make on a heart, a God make on a heart and a God a man. God a one big tall thick man. And make on say if you know say the sperms they get to know say if you respect man and look up to man. Like all your father if you respect him more. Every man overall, and me, should have supposed to show me lots of respect. But you're supposed to rub down my body and massage me and feel good and so. Instead of feel stress out my brain every day. And make me a maga down. Even though I ain't style, man, I don't like cussy style.
I like you remember so when time we meet you maga already. I know as you start doing me, I'm feel they have to look weird.
Yeah, me I put on a little weight here, just a look argumentary minute for me take off your back.
That's what they are, some things will happen.
Stop judge me. Don't judge me by the cover. Don't do that. If you believe in me like how me I tell you, you never do nothing wrong. Never. I'm gonna pull a plastic off your seat. I'm gonna take a virginity. Pull a plastic off your seat, brand new. Never disrespect you. And people are trying to change my mind down the road and tell me see I dip on the road with so much man. And I try to don't think about that and try to say my baby don't do that. Cause if me ever see you do that, me, remember me tell you I broke loose. Serious? You know me never like that. But it's straight now, so so I feel differently.
You want the food?
You could have asked that. More me talk, I hungry and me get.
Alright, now I'll show you the food.
Take your time here. So when I come back, I come in a bikini. I get the bikini.
Hold me down. Yeah, my brother. Yeah. You know, easy, no boy. Me have a car, man. Everything good, man. Yeah, man. Everything alright. Alright. Yeah, man.
My,
Well,
I should
go on.
never tell her no man.
If you tell the morning, cause what you talk about, no me and you, do a lot of things. Me see you now. Me see you now.
Regardless if we do a lot of things, until now, I don't get no money. And what them they give me?
But you know, when you know say you know, hustling. And me never know say you are my friend. Related.
Well, no, you do, and
But
me want money. Me want my money.
but you enjoy it so much.
Who tell you say me
You
enjoy
try give me a
anything?
money cause
Who tell you say me enjoy anything?
you tell me.
Me never tell you nothing. Do not tell her upon me. Do
What?
not tell her upon me. I don't enjoy one bit of nothing.
Alright, but me I said though. Did I buy your food?
Me not really cater about
I
that.
buy your food, me drive
Hello,
around.
sir. Me still can't. Me
You
can
cook
buy
couple
my
food
food
on the
them, you know.
dashboard.
Me can buy food if me want. That is nothing. That's basic need. And money me come about.
You ever know?
You out to order.
You what? I never know say you are my friend related. I thought I see you one time you was a tourist, bam, you just go back to your yard and relax. You couldn't keep the money for souvenir. But anyway, since you're there still, what am I going to do? Only one thing I can do right now, me have more of them US there. So I could take some more, me drive around Nike car today, I will stop at some shop, and when you stop at the shop, them now, you give them, you give them, because everybody know me, you give them the money, you collect the change. Something like that. So, you want now, you know, say you want money. Where you going to do money, by the way?
You tell us I want fraud money?
No, you know, the
I'm
money.
basically fraud money.
No, listen, man. You're not going to keep the fraud money. I'm going to carry it to the place them. You go in there, you give them the money and take a product and get the change. The change is going to be real money. We not need to, everybody not need for too long. We just do for a look short with the time. You get the money, me get the money. You can buy some gas put in a car, you can do what you want to do. What you want money for to do?
Okay.
What you want the money?
Listen, me there so far when
What you want the money for do?
I want my ear do what you mean. Look for me, you know, see a bunny me have to wear for my ear.
So what you do the redhead? Yeah.
Which
Or you
redhead,
still have
sir?
redhead and the redhead when me see it and the red.
Yes, it raga I want fix now.
Hear me answer now. Only one thing me tell you. Me not no money. Me involved in a fraud things, right? So that alone me can deal it. And with it, you can like how me get things from you without the real money. You can get real money from the fake money. You understand? Very easy, man. So what I want you do now, I just me and you go up on the road today. I'll show off because my brother car for the day. Tomorrow I go on my king car. So today now, we go to Ray. Go up on the road, go to some shop, get the money, change. Like you buy, you tell them you want something cheap, you get back the change go real.
Okay.
You get the money on tight, me get the money on tight.
I agree with you. But you see, if anything could me I call any name.
No, you can't do that. You're informer.
What you mean by?
No, you
I
can't
don't
be.
mean when I go down.
No,
you
you're not go down. Mama, you go go down. Just keep your mouth shut.
So,
just keep your mouth shut.
With.
No, but so you know what? You want to do it? You want to do it?
Me I work with you.
Yes, if you want to do it, you can't be a sellout.
Alright, with the road, so.
Yeah, man. So I tell the woman, just calm down, man. We go on and now. We go link you back, pick you up off your yard, and then we make a ray. So just go down your yard and get yourself ready. Me I go my yard.
I just come out of my bed too, you know. I just come out.
So I right, charge you make.
Exactly.
After I get the real money, I'll take some real money and buy back some of my things for you. Alright? Alright. Here one now. The lady is so blind, you know.
Blind?
Yes, so she not dumb. She blind. She not deaf. She blind. I want you go in there. 100 US, yeah? Buy one little something from him and make him get the change everything. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. If him grandson coming at the place, you come out. To change your mind now because him can't see the money. So when we see money, I know say money fake. Hurry up.
Mommy, you're good? What is it? Sister, move away, no? I'm going to move away too, but buy one camera online, so I want to see what I'm going. If anything happen, gonna come be me. No, I don't know what we'll find out. Alright, later.
Yes.
Yes.
What's up, baby?
Nothing.
Just coming back. Guess what?
Well,
There's a surprise for you.
alright.
Surprise for you. For yourself, B. I'm ready for you to pull your tail tonight and tell where to do it. Is it?
Well,
How much money for this?
sorry to break the news to you, but I'm not there tonight. May I go to my mother?
Go pay your mother.
Yeah.
You know I get this until I come back then, babes. So,
Well, I know when I come back.
you can't pay your mother. Come on.
No. Yeah, I find this time to can't come back.
Far distance. Oh, alright, now I'm free. You know how far you go? Alright, baby.
But you have to go come down if you want my sister.
Hey, your sister run her back.
Me say me down if you want my sister, so you have to go.
What's the matter with that? I run some asleep.
I feel sorry for you.
I ain't hear some asleep.
Me say you go home.
Hi, man. Your sister they wear in her back.
Nobody wanna ask me with body. Just go home.
Say that with me now.
No. When we come back, you can come back. Go on.
I'm all free.
Say now, let me give you a candy.
I'm mad. I come back for we see this. You have to come back for a gift, come back, you leave.
Alright, go on. I don't swear to read that one here.
Sis,
Yeah?
you know what say one party of it does do so I invite you to come.
Up to the children, sis. I'm not there, you know. Because Mama called me and have an emergency to deal with, so are you one gone there?
Oh God, what kind of emergency that now?
I don't know, she just said it's a bad emergency, so we just have to go up there. So that says that you want to go there, you know, because my boyfriend not there, you know.
Oh, okay. Okay then.
So,
I come and say we are going to the party, so yeah.
I can go to mommy. So, I don't know when I come back, I'm going to call you and tell you.
Alright.
So, later, yeah, sis.
Hello? What going?
Someday I need you to in a good mood, okay? See your sister out. I pray.
They right now, I'm here one day in the house and I'm calling go.
Listen, she gone?
Yeah.
Me if me a calling her, and then broke her my guys require you with her some bad man and yo, me a forward.
Alright.
So,
You reach quick door.
you mean to me really too far, me pa mo go na ngayon, me bridge na ngayon dit. So I think.
So, we have to also yourself, so.
Who's that?
Yeah.
Woo! Celebration! Woo! Yo. I
Gotta
see.
reach. You know what I'm saying? Why? Now, when I move to do that right now, cause depending on the road from morning, my tired, me up in out some clothes. So, can't do it now. So, by 12 o'clock
Till the light.
morning,
I mean, so she not come back tonight, huh?
no, she can't come, man.
Alright, so
Yeah, but every time you do it too rough.
okay, you're not ball, babes. You're not ball, so I have to do it rough, babes. What you talk about?
What you mean by you have to keep down my vibes? I don't want the neighbor here to go chat.
So, how you want to do? Me not perform good for you, go to the road, go chat. That not gonna work. So much money me have here. Nobody can play
You
with me.
serious? No. Like literally I need to tone down.
Alright, if I like you, look at romance and you get the romance, you leave. Celebration, my goal here, baby. Why, it's a time and 19. I want time like this.
Okay. So, are this really a one?
Babes,
No babes me.
what the thing you on?
No worry about what I did on my hand. So, a long time
The sister set me up, babes. The sister set me up, babes.
Oh, no. Nice. Hello.
Which can?
Do not blame me one. I did throw it in a it.
Yeah, wicked, you know, say I set him and try to set me up, babes. Shot him. He must have tried to set me up long time and try to mash up my life, B. I mean, you know what I mean? Talk to her. B, you don't left me out.
Yes, you see, him are the problem.
You don't want
Yes,
dead.
and you too, so don't let yourself out of
You
it.
don't want dead, babes. Kill her, babes. She a wicked. No, B. I don't want me yard me there. She tell me, say, she call me on my phone.
So what she do with your
We can't
number?
talk about
This
This
You
one,
see
listen
him?
up. This one, listen up, babes.
No
Babes.
problem.
I've
Babes.
been warning about him from when?
Here, I told her shut up.
Babes, you don't listen to me.
Shut up.
She call me on my phone and she tell me, say, you drop down up here, sis. She tell me, say, you drop down up here.
Do not tell her
but
for
you know,
me name.
me love you, babes.
I don't
and you
know
know-
if you lick in your face
Babes,
here.
me love you and me don't want anything to do. You can tell me a moment ago, say I go pay your mother, babes, and she tell me, say, you drop down.
You want me beating for you?
Ask her what she get me
You
number.
use them. Use them.
Babes, you listen to her.
First of all, what the lie you tell me? Don't say anything for me
You
to
can't show you
hide.
call from phone. See, tell me, say, get her money for her money and you might choke money in her place. Be waiting
Hello, and you there dash money for me and I come with the foolishness. You throw it in a this. Beat your fiancé, Muya.
Me! I'm bother with that. Babes, you know me not use US. I mean, never give one US from here. You talk.
See,
Babes, Jamaican.
anything me have
Babes,
for me with you.
I'm bother with that. Babes, come here.
Go to me and go him down.
Babes. What me do? Babes.
Out to add.
You sit down.
Bright.
Go back over yourself.
Babes, me love you, babes.
Go back over
I
yourself.
take a virginity, babes. You can't remember where you come from.
Yeah, the girl virginity.
Shut up, your mouth! Shut up, your mouth! You're backbiter, backstabber! You stab my life! Shut him! You shut him! Don't get in out of here! Shut it!
Yo.
You see now, listen to me. And you see your sister try to set me up and try to mash up with good life. I know man, no one
Shut
time.
him, sister. Shut him.
Yes.
How wicked man in this
You
gospel.
know me and Timbo. Which one I want to shoot first?
If anybody of you should post
So
a
we're gonna fire you.
If you don't know me, I'm going to buy one present for you, babes. Me show you a present, babes.
Sit up.
See, bucks.
Me no want to
Serious?
see. Me never want to see.
Babes. What me do?
open bright off feet.
You go by yourself.
Shut him, babes. Shut him.
Shut him out. Let him lick in your face too.
Touch with me. People give more from his and this, but I like him.
Sister.
You don't like
I like her,
If
babes.
you move from this side, you
Move from this side.
Are you see one of them?
Babes,
Sister.
she tricked me.
I'm sorry. You're
She tell me to lie down in her bed because she ain't gonna leave you, okay?
eyes.
Don't touch me, yeah. Babes, she tell me,
Sister,
say,
shut him now.
babes, she tell me,
Shut
say,
him.
she gonna leave you up around this and come put in her bed, babes. That's supposed to be in her bed.
Sister, I'm
nothing. Me just get caught up in that moment.
Yes.
I just get caught up in the moment.
Yes.
But very sorry. If ever come here, I'm a wicked. You might tell me one more things about you.
Babes, I like. In terms of come here, Obi a man. I like my tell. Babes, in terms of come here, Obi a man. And I try to hold up my life.
Hello. Well, don't know.
You know, sister, same thing. Yeah, sister, same thing. Like they get to find out. Hey, if you love me, I do me this. Yeah.
Sister, how you feel just say you love me and
Yes.
you I do me this?
No, I think I you in my bed, babes. That tricky girl trick me. Come on,
I like you. We can't come and talk about saying
Which
people
camera?
like me better than you enough.
Which camera?
And them there's something they matter.
This be my heart. Babes, you see me a blue, babes. Babe. Jesus Christ, babes. I see sometimes I see the guy that send me up. I said to a long time, babe, to see you. You're wicked. Babes, watch your camera. Hey, see everything what happened. Watch your camera.
I
See what they say. You drop down on the phone.
see it.
Yes.
I see when you come in and throw
Yes.
money from blast it. Sister,
What the hell? Let me kill you. Come on.
Neither.
Babes, that holding us upon me now, babes. That holding us upon me. Babes. Kissing up on your lips. Kissing up your belly.
I'm very sorry.
Babes.
I'm very sorry.
She bad
Come
man.
on to me. Come on
Babes,
to
she
me.
shot.
I never know.
Babes, she bad man. Babes.
Ah, you know
Babes.
what? It was not nice. May I give you until 10? We'll go to you. Sister,
One. Please, me I beg you.
Two.
Please, me I beg you, sister.
3,
Please.
4, 5, 6, 7, 9.
What we do for you, sir, in this guy? I can't believe this.
Hello, 1 second, please.
Hello. How many where you from now, sir?
Hold on. Now you come in my grandmother shop come spend on you Saturday night.
Grandmother.
Stop going like you know about grandmother like you know me. Now you come in my grandmother shop that night.
I recognize your face. I want one.
Recognize my face. Are you me I look for you?
Me?
Yo,
You look for me for?
more about my grandmother money, you know. Yo, oh, come on. Hello, come on. Turn up.
Sir.
Turn
sir,
up, man.
Nobody lick me.
Turn up.
Nobody lick me, sir. Me a
Don't
beg. Sir,
Come
don't
over here,
bother
sir. Come
lick
over here,
me.
sir.
Don't lick me.
Me nah lick you, but yo, me a carry you go down, so. See?
Yeah.
Go make. I'm a matter of fact, me nah carry you go down and up. Yo, listen to me, I say, man.
Sir, me a beg.
See money where you give my grandmother.
Jesus,
Look on it good.
save a Christ.
So you know my grandmother can't see
I know
good.
that me give your grandmother.
Look here, counterfeit
And
money
you
this.
for that
And
me give
look
your
a piece of it all
grandmother.
tear off. Counterfeit paper. Give me, hello, a 15,000 one of this. My grandmother gave back $14,300. See? You come
Sir,
buy things out of this.
Sir,
Hold it back.
I did not
Hold
give
it back
grandmother
and give me
that.
back your human money.
I
Hello?
don't have any money, sir.
How you
I
don't
don't
go?
have any money on me, sir.
You saw no youth. You are wicked in the youth. Suppose my grandmother never have a man like me
Sir,
now.
you get
As
me
a grand
scared,
youth.
you know, because I don't know what you talk about, you
Give me
know.
my grandmother. Hold back this other man. Hold back that no man. Give me money, no man.
Sir,
give me
I don't have any
14,000.
money on me.
What?
I don't have any money on me.
What you mean you don't have money for you, man?
Sir, me
Yo.
don't understand.
Yeah, what I do? Hey, come here. Down a station here. Go on in front of me. Go down
Sir,
there.
I know me have to bring
Me carry you go down the police. Go on down there, someone, because you don't have the woman money. Tell me what you say. Talk. Tell me.
Yeah, I want Rasta man. I want Rasta man. The man say have one bag of US stash over a yard.
Eh.
Even don't think care trick me with me, I tell you.
Oh. So you say uno. You say uno.
Me no know
You say
the
uno.
man
You say
from
uno. You say uno.
nowhere
You say
from
uno, young girl.
Adapter car. Me want some money. Make me say me a work with him. Me a beg.
Yo, yeah, because show me the Rasta boy the youth. I tell you youth. Come show me this Rasta boy. Because right now I lick me a lick him.
Like you want.
What? No, hold on. Come, you see if you can't show me the Rasta boy, we do that. Well, me a carry down a station. You see if you show me the Rasta boy,
You know,
I save me a game out of this blue beak,
I
yeah?
don't know where he live, but me can link
Oh, you
him
mean-
and set him up.
Yeah,
and
your number for him.
No, me no
So,
know him.
no, you need to know where he live now.
I don't know him.
Alright, come on then. You are good on, so.
Me fi meet back with him so
When?
we can divide one plan or something.
Alright,
Cause
listen
me
now. I know me I got plan. You want the police them down there got plan. Come now, man.
Sir, me no want
You,
God.
you ever hear come on yet? Eh? You know what come on mean?
Alright.
Come on. Oh, damn, bro. Go on. Beg. What's the place? You pay some my grandmother. My grandmother can't see how to rob him. I'm soon you. Oh, Todd. That's just how I don't know who left the phone, but I must. Your reason, I could make a call. Jamila.
Yeah.
Yo, I'm glad to be answer your phone. You know what I'm there?
No, man, I just put it out. I don't see you. What happened?
Me there behind bars. Your sister, after me and the girl up, go on 1 and 2 mission with the fraud money them. Set me up, send police come lock me up. And I'm bed me there. And I'm in deep sleep and police kick off the door and I'm there behind bars.
So, me do you want you? I ain't listen.
And she said she want to hire for do, you know. I'm going to tell her that see her 1 week, you know. I'm going to tell her, I say, come here, go up and there, go hustle. And me and her hustle, exercise the bank account muscle, and the girl really go inform. I'm going to tell her, I say, you know, when somebody hold you, no snitch. Never do that.
Well, I am not.
Yo, I'm not rate your sister, you know.
I don't want to hear about she.
No, your sister.
I don't want to hear about her. Because last night, you're lucky say you're behind bars. Because last night, I catch him and my man.
What?
Mm-hmm.
Where did you job from?
For them they in a bed. All these things. So, I don't hear nothing about her. I don't want nothing to do with her.
She put me behind bars. And then take your man pant up it.
You're lucky say you're behind bars and everything.
That's why I tell you, you know, if you line up one good woman for me, you know. If I want a good girl, money, that's a problem, you know.
No, the point is that you take up yourself one woman, you check out fraud money. Fraud money you're going to use.
Life not easy when you spend it alone, you know. So me did what, we just have a look of money, we just say I try to get a woman with the money. And I just say work out. But anyway, me dey behind bars now. Next week I'm a court date. Try also for a piece of money come bail me out because you know when I come back a road, I change my life. Alright?
That's what you're saying.
Yeah man, I come back home and change me a friend, you know. You know somebody that do this here, you know. So interest in their court. Talk to the police, them and see how much money bail ban me dey pan. Cause you know how it go. When I come out, I go find myself a work on the beach where I can go in my business and get a nice, you know, back it even before you get back your money. Alright?
But alright.
Alright. Sorry about that though. It's a good thing you find out though. But the good thing you don't bad that you're there road because if me and you went there.
I say I go me even bar for somebody to go show you.
Why rough? Me know say you feel like we are setting me lonely now because me catch my woman with the pastor son. But anyway, I saw you go. Me there. You look like a policeman. I want phone. Me find it. Alright. Alright.
Guys, more waist trainer. Say no, one bam, more waist trainer. Only just link fire. Yeah.
But you have an Instagram?
Yes. You can follow me at pinky_DHEM. Yeah, pink 1. And you can follow me on TikTok at actress Pinky underscore Kim.
But
Thank
tell
you.
them about this something. They not tell them about this when they put the number. Look for the number.
Oh yes, guys, and we have one little. What is something they call
At
it?
20,000 there now, you know?
Yeah, one
Treasure
woman just
hunt.
win. We have a little treasure hunt. So if you want to win some quick cash from Jammiwood, guys, we just watch the movie till the end and go see the number them, guys. We want to comment the number them and we see who know want to win next. Guys, we shall see. Because somebody win already, you know, and we go see when the somebody get their money. So we don't want to be the next one for your whole 20 grand now. No, man. Comment the number them. No. Out.
I wish I have good news to say. Boy. Boy. Yeah, man, glory be to the Most High. Give thanks to light, but down to the ground. It's I and the light, I and the dark. Bad dog, they are going all the time, you know. Yeah, man. So they are going all the time, you know what I mean? I put in the work as usual. When we reach to the end of the movie, so you don't know it go. Give thanks for the support, you know. I want to make it possible, you know what I mean? And there's a lot of things to talk about, but I don't think tonight is a good night to talk about it. But we go talk, you know what I mean? I have a lot of plans and ideas, you know what I mean? As we go along, we go keep them in, you know what I mean? It has been a journey. I'm going to reach where I want to reach it, you know what I mean? There is a much few things that we need to put into place, because I can tell you, I see improvements within myself and with different things around, you know what I mean? But it still take more time to do what I really want to do still, because the whole thing is money is a problem to really get the thing to the next level what we really want to carry to. So it's moving on a slow pace because the money not there to back it yet, but you know, we still are doing the best we can do, and we are keep a word, you know what I mean? Remember Mr. Jammiwood City, and one day it's going to be possible, you know what I mean? So, I soon will make an announcement, because I would like to have more, I think we need a support team, like a group of people that in my corner, that support the movements and believe in it, where we can, I don't know what the word is, collaborate, and associate and get things up and running in an official format, you know what I mean? Because things are how I want to live, you know what I mean? I don't want to live alone, like I don't want a lone segment. That's why I say Jammiwood City. So when I say city, it's actually a community owned by Jammiwood. And Jammiwood not owned by one person, go owned by a group of people, you know what I mean? So that's why I say certain things, you know what I mean? So that means it have a stronger backative and movements, because I don't want to do it for myself, you know what I mean? One, there one place apart, one plan back some cane, you know what I mean? One have one sugar, you know what I mean? Have one sugar. You know what I mean? We grind out one sugar after we boil it. You know what I mean? More natural farm, one pepper, one this, one that. Burn it down! You know what I mean? So that's how we want to do it at the end of the day. So, we don't want have a support team, but have the same vision. So, we would have everything one place. You know what I mean? And we say that we are work towards, and we just get it to there. So, come. Look like a dog going to walk on the car wheel. Like a dog, go sit down, man. Why don't you sit down? Yeah, man. So, I just them things there. You know what I mean? We are look forward for. And we want to do bigger project, bigger movies. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Some more. So, where I want to do it though, I need to have build back one of them first time house there. And have this genie floor polish and them sort of tell some story. If one series what I want to do, okay? I don't want to build up one house like that for that alone. But I want to build a house and do like 100 series, 100 episode. So, you know, say I have more than one season, maybe 5 seasons. You know what I mean? Yeah, man, something like that, where it's serious and something where can last a lifetime for the next generation to come. Just to capture back the Jamaica that was, and then we fuse it with the Jamaica that is. You know what I mean? Because one thing I can tell about Jamaica from that time to this time, it has been suffering. You know what I mean? But in back times now, we don't know how the world is living, so we want to look forward to certain things because that will be feasible. But now that the technology come and show we certain things now, it's like we can't do without it. You know what I mean? So it is what it is though. You know, but we're gonna talk, you know. You know what I mean? So as time go by, we're gonna need may try reach out to a brethren to do some editing for me. And we will get an next brethren to do some shooting. Because I think me alone I do too much. You know what I mean? It's not gonna reach where I want it to reach. You know what I mean? I want to just focus on writing. You know what I mean? And acting. You know what I mean? And have person who do certain things to me. You know what I mean? Me do one and two little thing now and then, but me really need to up the game. You know what I mean? Because the where I want it to go, it's not there. And it's lingering too long. You know what I mean? So, but I've achieved something like within myself, so I understand more from when I start until now. You know what I mean? And I learn a lot about people too as I go along. And the more I learn about people is the more I learn about myself. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. Glory be to the Most High. Give thanks to life. But down to the ground. Do good. If it's all you can do, do good. And do the best you can, regardless of how people might perceive. Because people have their own belief in what they do and what they think of you. But what they think of you, not necessarily have to be you directly. Then there's a think something. But who know. You know what I mean? So, left that does so. Yeah, man. Glory be to the Most High. Give thanks to life. Burn down to the ground. Take where take and go the way though. Give thanks to the people from the beginning that have been supporting the movements from that time till this time. Because you know. But some people self-claim and trying to say that there was, but they weren't. You know what I mean? And that's good. If they're in their own fantasy world. But who know where we start from and what we've been doing. And we haven't reached where we want to go yet. So I don't see why certain things, certain vibes are pitch up. You know what I mean? It's not necessary because it's not the day yet. You know, I mean, I like that style of what has become of us over the time. It haven't changed. We need to change that narrative. You know, so unity is strength, burn it down to the ground. But we can't unite with everybody. You know what I mean? Love and hate can never be. Sing the song, boy. Burn it down to the ground. Alright, go and listen to that tune in the meantime and go and stay strong. Look out for the next project. Remember, you know, the numbers them in the movie. 20,000 this month. You know what I mean? Everyone I move the post this month have the numbers them in it. So the more you get into the box, so when it's raffling, you will see. And look out for the vlog when we go to hand over the first prize. Big up yourself who win the first. You know, the first treasure hunt. Give thanks, you know what I mean, for participating. You know what I mean? And give thanks for waiting. We're up on the way. Burn it down to the ground.
I'm in my little corner. No. I'm in my little corner. No one there to love me. No one there to squeeze me at night. So I hold my pillow tight. Where is my long lost lover? Where is the one for me to hug? Life not nice when you spend it alone. No, life not nice when you spend it alone. So I'm alone now, yeah, I'm alone now. No one to come home to at night. I wonder if there's anybody out there single, someone who can hold me tight. Can you come over and spend the night? All I need is someone to call my own. I wonder if there's anyone thinking about me. All I need is someone to spend a little time with me, even if it's just as a friend, cause I'm feeling so alone, and I don't want to feel this anymore. Whoa, I'm singing my song, hoping somebody hears me before too long. Let me tell you a story about this Rasta boy. Grew up as a lonely child, never really felt no joy. Worked hard every day, thought money would ease the pain, thought it would bring true love one day. But all he got was empty promises. Every girl that he met so far only wanted one thing. They took his money from his hand and left his heart as a broken man. Never had a backup plan. Now I finally understand. Money can't buy love, only a one night